Space is strange enough, but wait till you hear what we've sent up there. Over the years, humanity has launched some truly bizarre and unexpected items into the cosmos. From quirky personal items to grand gestures of art and culture, the list of oddities in space is as vast as the universe itself. Before we dive into the top 10 weirdest things we've sent into space, make sure you subscribed to our channel and turned on the notification bell in order not to miss the next video. First up, we have Elon Musk's Tesla Roadster. In 2018, SpaceX launched the car into space aboard the Falcon Heavy rocket. Complete with a mannequin named Starman, dressed in a spacesuit, the car is now zooming around the sun, playing David Bowie's Space Oddity on repeat. This stunt was not just a marketing gimmick, but also a test payload for the rocket's capabilities. Imagine cruising through the cosmos in a cherry-red sports car. The Roadster is expected to remain in orbit for millions of years, potentially becoming a future artifact for space archaeologists. Next on our list is a deliciously ambitious plan by Dominos Pizza. The company once announced its intention to deliver pizzas to space. While this might sound like a sci-fi dream, the idea was to cater to astronauts craving a slice of home. Although the plan hasn't come to fruition yet, the thought of pizza delivery in zero gravity is enough to make anyone's mouth water. Just picture a pepperoni pizza floating effortlessly in the cabin of the International Space Station. The logistics of such a delivery would involve specialized packaging to keep the pizza fresh and intact during the journey. Number 3. For all the Doctor Who fans out there, you'll be thrilled to know that a tiny model of the TARDIS is orbiting Earth. Launched by a group of dedicated fans, this miniature time machine pays homage to the beloved sci-fi series. It's a fitting tribute to a show that has inspired countless imaginations about space and time travel. Who knows, maybe the Doctor himself will come across it on one of his adventures. The TARDIS model was part of a project to engage the public in space exploration and celebrate the cultural impact of Doctor Who. In the next position, there's Luke Skywalker's lightsaber. In 2007, NASA sent the iconic weapon from Star Wars into space, aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery. This was part of the 30th anniversary celebration of the original Star Wars film. The lightsaber orbited the Earth for 2 weeks before returning home, making it a true spacefaring relic. Imagine the Force being with you as you wield a lightsaber in the vastness of space. The lightsaber's journey was a nod to the cultural significance of Star Wars and its influence on generations of space enthusiasts. 5. Music has always been a universal language, and in 2008, NASA beamed the Beatles song "Across the Universe" into the cosmos. This interstellar broadcast was a tribute to the band's timeless influence and a message of peace and love to any potential extraterrestrial listeners. The song is now traveling through space at the speed of light, a cosmic serenade to the unknown. Imagine aliens grooving to the Beatles millions of light years away. This event marked the 40th anniversary of the song's recording and was part of NASA's efforts to communicate with potential extraterrestrial civilizations. 6. NASA has also been experimenting with growing plants in space. In 2015, astronauts aboard the International Space Station successfully grew and ate red romaine lettuce. This experiment was crucial for future long-duration space missions, as it demonstrated the potential for sustainable food sources in space. The seeds were sent to space, grown in microgravity, and then brought back to Earth for further study. It's a small step for plants, but a giant leap for space agriculture. The success of this experiment paves the way for growing other crops in space, which is essential for missions to Mars and beyond. Feeling artsy? An Andy Warhol drawing is floating around out there. In 1969, a small ceramic wafer containing drawings by 6 artists, including Warhol, was sent to the moon aboard the Apollo 12 mission. Warhol's contribution was a playful doodle that some interpret as his initials, while others see it as a rocket ship, or even a crude sketch of a male anatomy. This tiny piece of art is now a part of lunar history, blending human creativity with the vastness of space. The wafer, known as the Moon Museum, is considered the first art gallery on the moon, showcasing the intersection of art and space exploration. Next, got a sweet tooth? A Snickers bar made the trip to space. In 1985, astronaut Lauren Acton brought the candy bar aboard the Space Shuttle Challenger. This was part of a personal preference kit that allowed astronauts to bring a few comfort items from home. The Snickers bar floated in zero gravity, providing a sweet treat amidst the rigors of space travel. It's a reminder that even in space, we crave the simple pleasures of life. The inclusion of personal items like the Snickers Bar helps astronauts cope with the psychological challenges of long-duration space missions. For some cosmic fun, we even launched a disco ball. In 2018, a company called Rocket Lab sent a reflective sphere named Humanity Star into orbit. The purpose was to create a bright, blinking light visible from Earth, reminding us of our shared place in the universe. The disco ball orbited the Earth for about 2 months before re-entering the atmosphere and burning up. It was a short-lived but dazzling spectacle, a cosmic dance party for all to see. The Humanity Star was designed to spark conversations about humanity's place in the universe and inspire people to look up at the night sky. And finally, a rubber chicken named Camilla flew to the stratosphere. Camilla, the mascot of NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory, was sent on a high-altitude balloon mission to study solar radiation. Dressed in a custom spacesuit, Camilla's journey was part of an educational outreach program to engage students in space science. The rubber chicken's adventure captured the imaginations of many, proving that even the most unexpected items can have a place in space exploration. Camilla's mission included scientific instruments to measure radiation levels, providing valuable data for understanding the sun's impact on Earth. Yep, space is truly the final frontier for, well, just about anything. From cars and pizzas to lightsabers and disco balls, the things we've sent into space reflect our creativity, curiosity, and sense of adventure. Who knows what bizarre and wonderful items will be launched next? One thing's for sure, the universe will never cease to surprise us.